Here's how to edit menu in WordPress Elementor. It's actually way simpler than most tutorials make it seem. Pick a page you want to edit, then you'll want to click Edit with Elementor first to get into the page builder. Then just click on whichever menu item you want to mess with. That opens up the widget settings over on the left side. The Content tab is where you change what the menu button actually says. Just type in whatever text you want. And if you need to send people somewhere different when they click it, there's a link section below where you can either paste a new URL or pick a different page from your site. Now the Style tab is where things get more interesting because this controls how your menu looks. You can make the text bigger or smaller, change colors to match your site, throw in some background colors or borders, pretty much whatever you need to make it fit your design. There's also an Advanced tab with way more options, but here's the thing, most of the cool stuff requires Elementor Pro. The motion effects that make things animate when people hover over them, that's Pro only. Same with the transform options that let you rotate or scale menu items. You can still do background and border styling with the free version though. Responsive settings work on both versions. And if you know CSS, the Pro version lets you add custom code. Once you've got everything looking how you want it, just hit publish and your changes go live right away.